Welcome back. Now that you're set up with Ideogram, let's dive into Canva, another powerful tool we'll be using. Canva is a user-friendly design platform that makes it easy to edit and resize images, perfect for customizing your coloring pages created in Ideogram. With Canva, you can adjust your coloring pages to different sizes for various uses, whether it's full-page coloring sheets or smaller designs for activity books. Canva also has simple tools that let you add extra elements such as borders, text, or fun shapes to make each page even more engaging and personalized for your child. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Canva's interface, so you'll feel comfortable navigating the platform. You'll learn where to find the resizing tools, how to upload your ideogram images, and a few quick tips for customizing your designs. Once you get the hang of Canva, you'll see how easy it is to turn your ideogram images into unique coloring pages that your kids will love. Let's get started with a quick tour, and you'll be ready to jump into designing in no time.